Microsoft is secretly rebuilding Windows 11 from inside and out, and honestly, that's going to become one of the biggest Windows performance upgrades in years. This project is internally called Windows K2. Now let me tell you what is Windows K2 exactly. Windows K2 is not another version of Windows like Windows 12. Windows K2 is reportedly Microsoft's internal initiative focused on one main goal: fixing Windows 11 performance from inside out, and making Windows 11 faster, smoother, and less frustrating. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. In today's video, we're gonna break down all the new features and changes to Windows K2 project. Now here are the biggest sudden changes Microsoft is testing right now. Microsoft introduced a new run dialog. Yes, the classic Win Plus R box is finally getting rebuilt for the first time in decades. Microsoft rebuilt it using WinUI 3 with a modern backend system. The runtime is now reduced and it becomes 94 milliseconds. Modern flyover design is there, shared backend with PowerToys run, better keyboard responsiveness, .NET AOT compilation for lower memory usage, and there's also a Linux style shortcut. Now you can type tilde and backslash to instantly open your home directory. Small feature, but honestly very useful for a user. And I'm sure this feature didn't tell you anyone in the YouTube. If you previously knew this one, please let me know in the comments below. Now this is the main hidden feature that was discovered inside Windows 11 26 HTU 26300.8246. Basically, Windows temporarily boosts CPU priority during user interaction. So when you open Start menu or launch an app, Windows gives a maximum CPU resources to the UI for a tiny microburst, and the performance gains are actually massive. Now just let me show you. Okay, here is the CPU section. Now just let me click on Start menu. Here you can see a spike on the CPU usage. And just File Explorer. Now then just open browser. It opens instantly, and here you can see the spike was up to 80%. So early testing shows Start menu opens up to 70% faster now. Microsoft Edge launches around 40% faster. Dialog feels more responsive. UI animations feel smoother. And the smartest part is, the boost only lasts for milliseconds, so battery impact stays minimal. This is probably the most important part of Windows K2. Microsoft is rebuilding Windows core components using newer WinUI 3 infrastructure. File Explorer now preloads background components during login. That helps reduce white screen lag, Explorer flickering, show folder opening, startup delays. Microsoft is also testing a new Compositor system, meaning the taskbar and start menu stays responsive even under heavy CPU load. For this improvement, benefits include smoother animations, faster UI rendering, better responsiveness, reduced lag during high CPU usage. Now there is a small improvement in the start menu. If you just click on the start menu and just click on your profile, you can now see your Microsoft account details is over there. You can directly go to my Microsoft account section from there, and also you get your subscription pack over there, and also the cloud storage. A small change, but important. Microsoft finally seems to be listening to Windows power users again. Hidden codes inside recent insider build suggest taskbar movement support may finally return. Possible positions include top, left, right, and that's something users been asking for since Windows 11 launched. Parts of the start menu also moving away from React-based web components into native C++ code, and that should improve input latency, rendering speed, memory usage, and overall responsiveness. Microsoft is also optimizing Windows 11 for handheld gaming devices. A hidden Xbox handheld mode was spotted for many devices. This mode reportedly reduces Windows background overhead by around 1.5 gigs of RAM, which means better gaming performance, more free memory, reduced rendering, faster handheld experience. Windows is also changing how driver updates work. Instead of forcing graphics or audio drivers during active sessions, updates are now staggered until the user manually restarts. And that helps prevent gameplay interruptions, random crashes, driver instability. Another change to the update section is you can now pause updates for maximum 35 days, and that too for unlimited times. Most of these features are still hidden behind Microsoft control features rollout. Some insider builds now includes a new position called Enable Experimental Performance feature inside Windows Insider Settings. You can check it by going to Settings, then Windows Update, then scroll and Windows Insider Program. And now here you can see experimental section is added, and then you will find advanced option. There we can choose Windows 11 version, and here is another flag feature is there. If you just go to the flag feature, and here is the magic part. If you want to enable the advanced feature, then you just go to there and available flags will be there. You just need to click on the drop down and just click on enable, and then just enable them one by one. And now just click on apply changes and restart your computer to take the effect. And honestly, Windows K2 feels like Microsoft finally focusing on what users actually wanted from Windows 11 from the beginning. Better speed, low latency, faster UI response, improved gaming performance, and restored desktop functionality. And if Microsoft continues in this direction, Windows 11 could finally become the operating system people expected at launch. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.